Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with Martin Penev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Market Outlook. The Euro markets all in decline yesterday, along with markets in Asia and the United States. Basically, a lot of Tier 1 events in the calendar yesterday, from Royal Bank of Australia, Bank of England, Bank of Canada, and the Fed as well. Starting with a decline of the CPI, Consumer Price Index, quarter on quarter and year on year in the Australian economy, where we saw a contraction of the consumer basket of goods. Then in the very morning, we were watching the Bank of England vote, where 7 of the voters voted for remaining of the interest rate a little bit lower, while 2 of the voters voted for a hike. The minutes were rather hawkish, and we saw the reaction on the British pound sterling versus its weaker rivals such as the Kiwi, the Aussie, and the Canadian dollar. The Fed released some inflation data as well, with the CPI reports year on year and month on month, which came out positive, with a slight decline in the monthly CPI excluding the food and energy sector. An hour earlier, the properties report showed some interesting numbers, twice better than the last month's readings. The biggest mover on the market was the Canadian dollar yesterday, remaining with low interest rates, which drove the USD Canadian with a few pips down. And then the minutes, we saw that they have now decided to release more aggressiveness in the economy, declining the previous neutral status. After the social event in front of the parliament yesterday, where somebody, Islamist probably, gunman, has shot to death 2 Canadian soldiers, which caused the Bank of Canada governor to decline the scheduled press conference for today. Taking away to Asia, starting with China, which has also printed better than expected manufacturing data. And along with the Nomura manufacturing PMI, better than expected, we might see some movement on the currencies there. Manufacturing data for the Eurozone and Germany, retail sales report, mortgage approvals for the pound sterling today. Housing data, manufacturing data, and unemployment from the United States, and later on this evening, the New Zealand trade balance with the readings of the exports and imports. On a well-expected flooding of the oil supply, something that we warned you about a couple of days ago, the price action declined with over $2 per barrel yesterday. Gold and silver were driven down as well. Today, the gas storage number are due to come out in the calendar later on. That was pretty much all from me from today. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a successful trading day. Cheers. Bye-bye.